Good day everyone. Here's our topic in the business research, which is the impact of digital payment system on consumer behavior in Pasay. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore how digital payment systems such as GCash, Maya QRPH, debit credit card, Tap to Pay, and other mobile wallets are changing consumer behavior in Pasay City, a vibrant and diverse area of Metro Manila known for its small entertainment hubs, airport access, and mixed income communities. Pasay provides an ideal case study for observing these changes. Digital payments have moved beyond being just a modern option. They are now shaping the daily decision and habits of consumers. Number 1. Convenience and efficiency. Digital payment offer unmatched convenience. In a city Pasay, where traffic crowds and time constraints are part of daily life, convenience is a major driver. Consumers don't need to line up at ATMs or carry exact change. Using QR codes or mobile wallets speeds up transactions, whether it's paying for a ride in a tricycle using GCash, buying groceries at supermarket, or even paying bills online. For example, many small vendors in Pasay public market now accept mobile payments. This shift has made it easier for consumers who are on the go, reducing wait times and improving the customer's experience.
Changes in spending habits and impulse buying. With physical cash, spending feels more real, but with digital wallets, the barrier to spending is lower. This leads to more frequent purchases and even impulse buying, especially when people use buy now, pay later services or get credit limits in app like GCredit or Maya Credit. For example, a study in Metro Manila showed that users of e-wallets tend to spend more per transaction than those who pay with cash, particularly in food delivery, online shopping, and convenience stores. Consumers in Pasay mirrors this trend. So, this behavioral shift reflects how payment methods influence consumption patterns, sometimes leading to overspending if not monitored.
Good day. Building trust and perception of security. Trust is essential in the adoption of digital payment systems. In the early years, many people were hesitant due to fear of scams or technical issues. But today, with the rise of authentication features, OTPs or one-time passwords, and digital receipts, trust is growing. Consumers now appreciate the transparency and traceability that digital transactions offer. Here's the example. A resident paying Meralco or Maynilad bills through an app can immediately receive proof of payment, which builds confidence in the system. This is especially valuable for older consumer or those managing household expenses who needs clear records of their financial activities.
Go. Number 4. Access to discounts, promos, and loyalty rewards. Digital payment platforms often offer exclusive rewards, cashback promos, discount vouchers, and referral bonuses that incentives usage. Consumers in Pasay, particularly younger demographics and working professionals, are actively respond to these offers. They often choose to stores or services based on who offer digital payment deals, especially in food delivery, e-commerce, and transportation. Example, Jollibee, McDonald's, and convenience stores like 7-Eleven often partner with mobile wallets to provide discounts for using QR payments. These offers influence where and how consumers spend.
Financial inclusion and empowerment. One of the most meaningful impacts is the role of digital payments in financial inclusion. Many Pasay residents, especially informal workers, street vendors, and tricycle drivers, may not have formal bank accounts, but they can use mobile wallets with just a smartphone and a valid ID. For example, a vendor selling fish balls Near, near a school can now accept GCash payments for students or passers-by. This empowers small-scale entrepreneurs to earn more and manage money digitally. Over time, these platforms help users save, budget, and even access microloans, offering a pathway to better financial literacy and stability.
Influence on businesses' operation in local economy. Consumer behavior are also influence how businesses adapt. In Pasay, many sari-sari stores, cafes, and services providers are embrace digital payment not just for customers' convenience but also for smoother operations, such as automated record keeping, easier supplies payment, and participation in online marketplace. These behaviors reflects a two-way influence. Consumers consumers demand digital convenience and businesses must evolve to remain competitive. And here's our conclusion on our topic. To conclude, the impact of digital payment system on consumers' behavior in Pasay is transformational. They offer speed and convenience, encouraging faster decision making. They change how much and how often people spend, especially through impulse buys. They help build financial discipline and transparency through digital tracking. They attract consumers through digital incentives and accessibility. And most importantly, they support financial inclusion in both low and high income areas. As Pasay continues to grow as a commercial and residential center, we can expect the role of digital payment to expand even further, shaping not just how people pay but how they live.